Calling all homeowners for 2023. Have you checked your insurance lately? How much are you covered for? Because we've had crazy appreciation across the United States since 2020. Have you changed your insurance? You don't want to be like us with the Marshall Fire right here, the most devastating fire in Colorado history, where 92% of people are underinsured. It really sucks over here, but I am happy because after 13 months, we are finally breaking ground to maybe one day eventually go home. But check out your insurance. Check out how much you're covered for. The homes in the United States have appreciated 30 to 40% in the last 2 years. Did your insurance go up 30 to 40%? I know it sucks, and I'm sorry that I'm going to tell you that your insurance rates are going up because you have more home value in your home. You want to also protect that equity so you don't get it washed out like a lot of my neighbors right now. So a couple things to check on. It's a quick phone call. It's not a fun phone call saying, hey, I want to pay more for insurance. But there are a couple tips from me who was a total loss. So I did change all of my insurance plans. I increased my bottom line cost, my cost to build. And I figured that out by doing a quick Google search, just saying average cost to build in my area, and you have to be area specific. Like Boulder County is a lot more expensive than even Denver here in Colorado, or Colorado Springs is going to be a lot cheaper because you have a lot less eco codes. Eco codes are very expensive. So you can do a quick Google search, make sure you put in your zip code. It can give you averages. So that's a good starting point. And then you can have a conversation with your insurance agent. I suggest using a fiduciary. I think it's incredibly important, just because they have a fiduciary is much different than a computer that really doesn't know you or know your circumstance. So the second thing I did on my policy changes, I increased the AL, the additional living expenses on all of my policies, because I'm running out. In 1 month, I've had 14 months of coverage for it, but after February 11th, I'm SOL and I'm paying a double mortgage because I'm paying this mortgage even though there's nothing here. So a couple other things, bonus tips to look at your insurance plan. Make sure you have a little asterisk or ask your insurance agent if you can get inflation coverage. I had that. My inflation coverage totaled about $300,000 because that's how underinsured I was. If I had not had that little asterisk because of how expensive building has gotten, which, kind of blew my mind. The second thing is make sure you have new codes covered in your insurance. It was a whopper here in Boulder County and Superior and Louisville because of all the eco changes that went in effect in 2021. Fire was, December 30th, 2021. And so it was just painful for a lot of people because they did not have that clause in it. And that clause of all those eco-friendly changes changed our price per square foot by $35 to $50 a square foot, which it really stings. So thanks, guys. Check your insurance.